September 12th, and it's time for the National Weather Service Weekly Weather Briefing. Northeast winds and the heightened potential for blowing dust and wildfires will be our number one concern through this evening. As winds decrease overnight, it will get chilly with the potential for freezing temperatures in our northern valleys Tuesday morning and again Wednesday morning. Several days of dry and warm weather are expected Wednesday through Saturday. At this time, we don't see much chance for widespread precipitation until maybe early next week. A red flag warning is in effect through 7 p.m. for low humidity and northeast winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour. Fuels are dry in central Washington, leading to the issuance of a red flag warning for places like Moses Lake, Ritzville, Coulee City, and Pasco. As the winds decrease this evening, our threat for rapidly spreading wildfires will decrease as well. Today has been windy over North Idaho, the Spokane area, and in the Columbia Basin. We received some reports of blowing dust in the Ritzville and Moses Lake areas this morning, but there have not been big problems so far today. Winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour are expected through 7 p.m. this evening. And it's possible that visibilities will be reduced to a mile or less in a few areas near freshly worked fields. But at this time, dust does not seem to be a big problem. As winds lay down tonight, temperatures will become chilly. Tuesday morning lows will be in the 30s and 40s over much of the inland northwest. Our coldest spots will be in the sheltered valleys of North Idaho and northeast Washington. Several communities will likely fall below freezing for a few hours early on Tuesday. A freeze warning has been issued for places like Bonners Ferry, Priest Lake, Newport, Deer Park, Republic, Chewelah, Springdale, and Medellin Falls. Our 7-day forecast shows that Wednesday morning will be chilly as well. Our top graphic is for Bonners Ferry. It shows that we may flirt with freezing temperatures again over portions of North Idaho as well as northeastern Washington on Wednesday. Further south, Pullman is another spot that can be chilly in this type of pattern. Frost will be possible as far south as the Palouse the next couple of nights. On Wednesday, our entire region will start to warm up with 70s and low 80s expected Friday and Saturday. There is a chance for light rain over North Idaho on Saturday and Sunday with an incoming front. There is still a good deal of uncertainty with the timing and the strength of the cold front next weekend. At this time, it looks like there is a moderate probability of breezy winds sometime next weekend. Depending on the timing of the wind, we may also have to worry about wildfire danger. The front over the weekend will bring some chances for rain to the mountains, but overall, the potential for meaningful rain looks low at this time. The 8 to 14-day outlook from the Climate Prediction Center suggests a good chance of above-average temperatures for most of the U.S. next week. This outlook also calls for below-average chances for precipitation for eastern Washington and North Idaho. In summary, a red flag warning is in effect until this evening for the Columbia Basin for wind and low humidity. Chilly temperatures Tuesday and Wednesday will bring localized freezing temperatures to the sheltered valleys of North Idaho and northeast Washington. The weather should be quiet until the arrival of a cold front this weekend, which may bring more breezy winds and elevated fire concerns. This ends the Monday briefing for this week. Thanks for joining us.